Start. The object of keeping such a wide power with this court has been to see that injustice is not perpetuated or perpetrated by decisions of courts below. Stop. More so, there should be a question of law of general public importance or a decision which shocks the conscience of the court are some of the prime requisites for grant of special leave. Stop. Thus, unless it is shown that exceptional and special circumstances exist, that substantial and grave injustice has been done, and that the case in question presents features of sufficient gravity warranting review of the decision appealed against, such exercise should not be done. Stop. The power under Article 136 cannot be used to short circuit the legal procedure prescribed in overriding power. Stop. This court generally does not permit a party to bypass the normal procedure of appeal or reference to the High Court unless a question of principle of great importance arises. Stop. It has to be exercised exceptionally and with caution and only in such an extraordinary situation. Stop. More so, such power is to be exercised taking into consideration the well-established principles which govern the exercise of overriding constitutional powers. Stop. It is true that this court, when exercise its discretionary power under Article 136 or passes any order under Article 142, it does so with great care and due circumspection. Stop. But when we are settling the law in exercise of this court's discretion, such law so settled should be clear and become operational instead of being kept vague so that it could become a binding precedent in all similar cases to arise in future. Stop. It has been canvassed before us that under Article 142 of the Constitution, this court is competent to pass any order to do complete justice between the parties and grant decree of divorce, even if the case may not meet the requirement of statutory provisions. Stop. The instant case presents special features warranting exercise of such power. Stop. We are fully alive of the fact that this court has been exercising the power under Article 142 of the Constitution for dissolution of marriage, where the court finds that marriage is totally unworkable, emotionally dead beyond salvage, and has broken down irretrievably, even if the facts of the case do not provide a ground in law on which the divorce could be granted. Stop.